Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about evaluating a function. You have seen and done this before, so this is nothing new. It's just a fancy way of saying substitute, then solve. That's what the word evaluate really means, in this case anyway. So really what we're looking for is we're looking for the function that we're trying to solve. It's right here. Then we're going to be looking what tells us to substitute. That's over here. So we need to be able to piece together that everywhere I see x, I need to put a 3 instead. I don't see an x here. That's why. There's not an x here. There's not an x here. Then all of a sudden I'm going to hit x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute. Now I always indicate substitution with parentheses. Just a good solid practice. And then plus 5. So anywhere where there was black ink here was the original equation, the original function, also called an equation. And then the one place there was an x. So if there was more than one place with x, there would be a 3 in each place. Now I just have to go through and solve. Well, the easiest way to solve is to kind of take this out of mind. Because when our brain sees a variable, it likes to kind of pause and stutter, thinking there's no way we can solve because there's a variable. So the way I like to do this is I just start writing equals, and then I can work on rewriting it so the variable kind of disappears, and then it also looks like something that I have solved for many years now, where it's just numbers in operations. So here I have 2 times 3 plus 5, and I got to go through my order of operations, and I remember that multiplication is going to come first. So I have 2 times 3, which is 6. I'm just going to carry my equal sign down here, and then I'm going to be adding 5 to that 6. Well, that is going to equal 6 plus 5, which is 11. So what this is telling me is when x equals 3, y equals 11. So y equals 11, and I have solved my equation. But if I was asked to interpret it or understand it, what all of this is saying, including what I used to solve it, what all of this is saying is when x equals 3, y equals 11. If you have any questions, make sure you go ahead and send those my way. I'll work on getting them into tomorrow's lesson. Stay safe out there, ladies and gentlemen, and you have a great rest of your evening.